Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating world of shopping, why we shop, how it's different around the globe, and how it brings fun and meaning to our lives. Whether you prefer malls, markets, or online shopping, there's something for everyone. This video is perfect for anyone looking to learn English while improving their English listening skills. Let's dive in and make learning fun with real-life topics you'll love. Shopping and its joy. Shopping is a fun activity. People go shopping to buy things they need or want. It can be food, clothes, or toys. Shopping helps people get what they like. Some people shop every day. Others shop once a week. Different places to shop. There are many places to shop. You can go to a supermarket, a mall, or a small shop. Supermarkets have food and drinks. Malls have clothes and shoes. Small shops sell special items. Online shopping is also popular now. Buying food. Buying food is very important. People buy vegetables, fruits, bread, and milk. Some people like to shop at markets. Markets have fresh food. Others go to supermarkets because it is easy and fast. Shopping for clothes. Many people enjoy buying clothes. They look for shirts, pants, and dresses. Some shops have cheap clothes. Other shops sell expensive brands. People try on clothes to see if they fit. Shopping for clothes can be exciting. Shopping for gifts. Shopping is important for birthdays and holidays. People buy gifts for family and friends. They look for toys, books, or games. During Christmas, many people shop for decorations and presents. It makes special days happy. Online shopping. Online shopping is easy. People use computers or phones to buy things. They can shop at home. And online shops deliver items to your door. It is fast and simple. But some people like to see items in real life. Window shopping. Window shopping means looking at things but not buying them. People walk in malls and look at shops. It is free and fun. They can plan what to buy later. Window shopping is good for saving money. Shopping with friends. Shopping with friends is enjoyable. Friends help choose items. They give advice on what looks good. Shopping together is a way to spend time and have fun. It makes the experience better. Money in shopping. Money is important for shopping. People need money to buy things. It is good to plan before shopping. This helps save money. Some people make a shopping list to avoid spending too much. Everyday shopping. Shopping is a part of daily life. It helps people get what they need and enjoy. There are many ways to shop. Some people love shopping, while others only shop when needed. Shopping is useful and fun. Shopping as education. Shopping can also be educational. When people shop, they learn about new products and prices. For example, when buying a phone, they compare different models. This helps them make smart decisions. Teaches people to choose wisely. Shopping as a hobby. Some people shop as a hobby. They enjoy finding good deals. They wait for sales and discounts. Sales are a good time to save money. People feel happy when they buy things at a lower price. Shopping as a hobby can be exciting and rewarding. Family shopping. Families often shop together. Parents take their children to buy school supplies like books and pens. It is a way for families to spend time together. Children learn how to shop and manage money. Family shopping trips are a special time. Shopping in different countries. Shopping is different in each country. In some places, people bargain. They talk to the shopkeeper to get a lower price. In other places, prices are fixed. Learning about shopping habits in other countries is interesting and fun. Shopping for big items. Shopping for big items is an important event. People buy things like furniture, cars, or houses. These items are expensive, so people plan carefully. They compare prices and quality. Buying big items takes time and effort. Disliking shopping. Some people do not like shopping. They think it is boring or tiring. They shop only when they must. To make shopping easier, they make a list. This helps them finish shopping quickly. Not everyone enjoys shopping, and that is okay. Shopping and exercise. Shopping can also be a way to exercise. Walking in a mall or market is good for health. People carry bags and move around. This helps them stay active. Shopping can be fun and healthy at the same time. Shopping for hobbies. People also shop for hobbies. For example, someone who loves painting buys art supplies. Someone who enjoys cooking buys new tools and spices. Shopping helps people enjoy their hobbies. It makes their free time better. Shopping for pets. Shopping for pets is another fun activity. Pet owners buy food, toys, and beds for their pets. They love to find items that make their pets happy. Shopping for pets shows love and care for animals. Donations while shopping. Sometimes people donate while shopping. They buy things to give to others. For example, they buy food for people in need. This makes shopping meaningful. Helping others through shopping is a kind act. Holiday shopping. During holidays, shopping becomes busy. Stores are full of people. They buy gifts and decorations. Some people like the excitement. Others feel stressed. Planning ahead helps make holiday shopping easier. Fashion and trends. Shopping is also about fashion. People buy clothes to follow trends. They want to look stylish. Fashion shopping changes every season. It is a way to express personality and creativity. Thrift shopping. Shopping for secondhand items is popular too. People go to thrift stores to find used clothes and furniture. These items are cheaper and unique. Thrift shopping is also good for the environment. Shopping as relaxation. Sometimes shopping is a way to relax. People forget their problems and enjoy looking at nice things. They feel happy and calm. Shopping can be a good way to take a break. Sales and discounts. Shopping during sales can be exciting. Black Friday and other sales days have big discounts. People line up early to buy things. Sales are a good way to save money and get what you need. Eco-friendly shopping. Some people prefer eco-friendly shopping. They buy items that do not harm the environment. For example, they choose reusable bags and organic food. Eco-friendly shopping helps the planet. Math skills in shopping. Shopping teaches math skills too. People calculate prices, discounts, and totals. This makes math fun and useful. Children learn numbers and counting while shopping. Shopping in cities. In big cities, shopping is very popular. There are many malls and shops. People spend hours walking and exploring. Shopping in cities is exciting and full of choices. Supporting local businesses. Shopping helps local businesses. When people shop at small stores, they support the community. Local shopping keeps towns and neighborhoods alive. It is a way to help others. Shopping for experiences. People also shop for experiences. They buy tickets to movies, concerts, or travel. These experiences create memories. Shopping is not just about things, it is about enjoying life. Group shopping. Some people shop in groups. They join clubs to buy items together. This helps them get lower prices. Group shopping is fun and saves money. Shopping for health. Shopping for health is important too. People buy medicines, vitamins, and exercise equipment. These items help them stay healthy. Health shopping shows care for oneself and family. Shopping habits. Shopping is different for everyone. Some people shop quickly while others take their time. Some love malls and others prefer markets. Shopping habits depend on culture and personality. The importance of shopping. In the end, shopping is more than buying things. It is a way to learn, enjoy, and connect with others. Whether in a store, market, or online, shopping is an important part of life. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it helpful for your English listening practice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos to improve your English. See you in the next video.